Joke lang daw, pero hindi naman nakakatawa. HR and policy concerns in the workplace. Let's talk about discrimination and harassment in the workplace. Yung tipong, babae ka kasi, kaya hindi ka pang leader. Ganyan kasi kayo eh. Ang OA mo, konting biro lang. Whether it's about gender, looks, age, background, or sexuality, discrimination and harassment are never just jokes. They're red flags. At ang masakit pa, sinasabihan ka na lang ng management na, hayaan mo na, ganyan naman yan talaga sila. So instead na suporta yung makuha mo, ang meron lang, silence, gaslighting, victim blaming. A safe workplace isn't just about policies. It's all about respect. If you see it, you should speak up. If you experience it, you have the right to report and be protected. Harassment isn't part of the job. It's a clear violation. At walang sino man ang makakapagsabi sa'yo na, hayaan mo na. Follow for more.